Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to block USB storage devices for all domain users using group policy. This is very important for data security, prevent data theft, protect company information. Why block USB? USB devices can be risky. Data copy or leakage, malware infection, unauthorized file transfer. So we will block pen drives, external HDD and SSD. Step 1. Open Group Policy Management. Step 2. Create new GPO. Name it USB Block Policy. Step 3. Edit GPO. Step 4. Enable USB block settings. Enable the following policies. Step 6. Apply policy. Run on client PC. GP update with force. That's how you block USB devices for all domain users using group policy. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more IT tutorials.